How to fix Reolink NVR no HDD detected problem or error here step by step on your Reolink NVR. So the step 1 will be to check physical connection, power off the NVR before touching anything inside. Open the NVR and reseat the SATA and power cables connected to the HDD. Ensure cables are firmly connected to the boot HDD format. If the cables look damaged or worn, you can replace it. Now try different SATA or port or cable that the previous one might be damaged due to any issue, so you can change it. Now step 3 is check HDD health on a PC. Remove the HDD from the NVR, connect to a Windows PC using a SATA to USB adapter or directly via SATA. Open disk management to check if it's detected. Use a tool like Crystal Disk Info to check HDD's health status. If it's not detected, like you can simply replace it. If the NVR detects HDD but still shows an error, go to the NVR menu Storage HDD setting. Select the HDD and choose Format. This will erase all the data on the drive, so please do it carefully. Try a different HDD. Install a known good HDD. If it's detected your original HDD may be faulty, Reolink NVRs typically support 3.5 SATA drives up to 6 TB plus depending on the model. Now check for the firmware updates. Go to Reolink official website and check if there is any firmware update for your NVR. Sometimes HDD detection bug can be resolved with firmware. Now power supply issues, you can simply check the wall adapter, the power outlet of your where you're plugging in the charger. So please check it if that's working well or not. The last and eighth step will be factory reset the NVR. If all else fails, go to NVR menu, system setting, maintenance and factory reset. You will lose setting, but it might help resolve your glitches. So if you tried all and cannot do this, you can simply click to join the support system of Reolink.